Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing into YouTube and opening the video you want to control. Make sure your headphones or speakers are connected. Once done, locate the player controls at the bottom of the video so you can access settings quickly. Next, click the gear icon on desktop or tap the three dots on mobile to reveal playback options. This is where audio quality settings live. Doing this first saves time and ensures you're changing YouTube output rather than system volume. Now choose the player's quality menu to adjust stream selection. On mobile, it's under Settings, on desktop, the gear. You want to pick a higher resolution or bitrate because YouTube ties audio fidelity to video quality. Higher video quality often yields better audio encoding. If your connection is unstable, keep auto so YouTube can adapt. Otherwise, force a fixed higher quality to maintain consistent audio. Also, make sure the device's audio enhancements finish by replaying the video and listening carefully to confirm the audio improved. This verifies the player honored your new setting. If you don't hear a change, restart the video or clear your browser cache and try again, because cache streams can lock in older settings. Make sure browser extensions, system equalizers, or YouTube upload encoding settings aren't downmixing or compressing sound. If they are, disable or adjust those features. One quick troubleshooting tip: test another video to isolate whether the issue is the file or your playback chain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.